Is crypto copy trading complete junk and waste of your time and money? Actually, this is a pretty good question because this is not as straightforward as you might think. Because there are one camp of people who think that any kind of copy trading is completely useless and complete scam. And there is another category of people who actually think this is the best way how actually traders can earn large amounts of capital without losing your shirt, because it's better to trust professionals than your own lack of skill, so to speak. But in this video, I will try to balance both of these questions and actually explore a couple of opportunities how I can actually copy trading from correct angle. So without further ado, let's go to Bybit and let's see how we could actually stack up good copy trading approach. Okay traders, now we are on Bybit. I strongly believe that for crypto copy trading, Bybit is the best platform, and the reasons for that are really straightforward. It's very easy to use, very easy to understand, and there are lots of traders because we have to have two characteristics. Firstly, we have to have safe copy trading platform where we have transparent rules how we could actually trade, and we see in Bybit we have all of that. We see how we could evaluate traders. For instance, if we go to specific trader, for instance, let's go to FIB trader, which is here, we could actually see that we have pretty transparent data, how we could actually see what he is doing, how much money he is making and whatnot. For instance, now we see that in the last 30 days he has made 99%, and in 90 days he made 93%, and in 7 days he has made 34%. He has win rate of 77%, drawdown is 0, and in 90 days drawdown is 28%, which is not that bad. We have another trader here, this is Lion, and here we could see all his trades, what markets he has traded, number of transactions, loss and take profit, and unfortunately trader hasn't shown his trading information for his followers. This is bad. Let's check out different traders. So let's check out traders by top return on equity in the past 7 days. If we are looking, for instance, for past 7 days, there has been this trader Wizard 31337, which has made 27% in 7 days. Let's check whether he is one-time wonder or he has done something good. He has been trading more than 90 days, which is good, and in 90 days his drawdown also is 21%, and he actually has shown his trading records. So let's go and see how he can actually trade. We could see that in last couple of days he has made quite a few trades, and most of these trades are in profits. But see, these are finished trades which has returns on 10, 5, 50, 50%, 70% and whatnot. Pretty good, right? But if we are going slightly higher, these are current trades, and see how large drawdowns are here. So what I could see about this trader has no good track record, because if he were to liquidate these positions, he would wipe out your trading capital, because you cannot hold positions for this long and say that you are a good trader. This shouldn't have happened, and that means his strategy is fundamentally bad. What does that mean? So I'm thinking what he's doing. He's simply opening his positions and closing them with really narrow profits. He holds these positions for a couple of days, from 6th November till 9th November, 6th November, 8th November, yes. Closing his positions in a couple of days with relatively small profit, but when he's having loss, he's not closing right away, and he thinks that this loss might turn out to be profits, so he's simply holding closing position, which is in no way traders should trade, and that's why I would cancel this trader out. Now we could actually go to more specific thing. We could see that Bybit show honest trade statistics about their traders. So we have transparency, we have opportunity to evaluate traders, and if we wanted to copy some trader, we have to simply go here and press copy. So here we could see minimal amount of investing, for instance 100. Then we could actually use trailing stops. We could use specific criteria how we could actually manage our risk. For instance, here if we are losing 20% of our initiated capital, we would stop copy from him, so we could limit our losses. All you have to do if you are copying your trader is simply open specific trader, put minimal amount that you want to deposit, then put trailing stop if you needed it, and you are all set. So this is the way you could actually find traders. It's important for you to understand that even though Bybit provides best copy trading techniques and I would say analytics and platforms, that doesn't mean all traders are good. I showed you that the trader which had the best 7-day performance actually had huge unrealized losses, which meant that this trader is disastrous for long-term trading. So we have to have criteria how we could evaluate traders, and this is the tricky part. So let's have a couple of ideas and see how we could actually manage to find decent traders. Firstly, I would say let's start for stability index. Traders have to have decent stability index and decent amount of followers. But here we could actually have to see whether this goes hand in hand with consistent trade results. Not for 7 days, which is useless, but for 90 days. So for me, the minimal is 90 days at good trading history. For instance, here you see that this trader is full, it has 1,000 followers and it has made tremendous amount of money, but you cannot follow him. That's the reason, because he's already locked up. Let's check this out. He is not showing his trades, that means we cannot see his unrealized losing positions, and that means even though he has good performance of 90 days and 30 days and on 7 days, we don't know how he risks, so I don't think he is good for us. And here also he has 60% drawdown, which is way too large. So I wouldn't recommend to invest in this trader as well. He made 1000% in 90 days and 63% deposit drawdown is not that bad either, because if you have like 1000 to invest and if you are investing 200 out of that 1000 into this trader, you would still make awful lot of money, so it works. But you have to see those red flags and be able to take out traders with bad flags. So here's the thing. If you are interested in this copy trading and if you have interest in good traders with consistent results and decent profits, I have a list of these traders and I have precise criteria how to find them and how we could actually cancel out those red flags and leave only the good traders, so you could actually passively and consistently copy from them. And I even have tools how you could actually have good risk management and how you could balance your capital against many traders, so you don't have drawdowns of 80% in next couple of hours, which is typical mistakes many copy traders have if they don't understand how to copy trade correctly. So if you want full detailed guide how to set up copy trading for you in this way, how you could actually have stack of consistent traders which I'm constantly updating, which are making money regardless if crypto is rising or falling, write me DM below the video on my Telegram and you could start to trade by this copy trading approach without even a fuss. So write me and let's have a stack of great traders and make money together.